Don't want to see it coming down my eyes, so I had to make the song cry. That's the true me. Don't want to see it coming down my eyes. I grew up in the hood selling niggas straight out the poppy store, running down, robbing niggas. Never did the corner boy. I ain't believe he bred it till I saw that nigga paperwork. I only grabbed a mask when I feel like that I'm going broke. I will spend a quarter. That's just how my day go. I never had no worries. Niggas bigger than my dildo. Heard some niggas talking stupid. Yeah, where they at though? All this niggas talking out they neck though. Call my big homie like, where you at, bro? I need the strap though. These niggas mad. I'm getting pesos. I'm running up the money. Lead the pack with my kid folks. She always by my side, but shorty don't be my bag mo. If I'm in a jam, in the black, I will not let go. She always in my ear, but she a dragon when that smoke blow. Sometimes I can't sleep, I'm hurting inside. I lost all my day ones and free all the guys. You don't know pain till you fight for your life. All these niggas talking shit, tell these niggas think twice. I'ma put down my foot, nigga. They backbite. I'ma apply that pressure, nigga. It's only right. Ain't no fist up no more, nigga. Took that pipe. I took loss after loss, almost lost my life. They talk down on my name, all I did was fight. And they loving on me, they loving the dyke. Ain't getting all the trends, I don't follow the hype. I want bands on top of bands enough to build me a house. You see shorty on me, I'm back to dumbass dyke. Ain't have it like the others. Microwavable for supper, flush the toilet, fill water with buckets. Had to make that right, using a screwdriver to shower at night. Know how water cold showers felt right. Let me let that ride. Don't want to see it coming down my eyes, so I had to make the song cry. It's the true me. Don't want to see it coming down my eyes, so I had to make the song cry. Don't want to see it coming down my eyes, so I gotta make the song cry. It's the true me. Don't want to see it coming down my eyes.